edges fray and mornings feel too sharp to face. You bring a softer medicine, a steady, quiet grace. You press a gentle bandage on the places that still ache. You whisper small repairs until the jagged edges break. Quiet repair, steady hand, mend what the day has torn. You ease the hurt, you calm the mind, you tend me through the morn. I sink, I sleep, each breath a stitch. I wake to softer light. Held through night, I am restored. You make the broken right. When memory pulls at open seams and pain repeats its name, you trade the echo for a hush and wash the print with flame. You teach my heart new rhythms and you smooth the worried brow. You lay a lullaby of love and show me how to bow. Quiet repair, steady hand, mend what the day has torn. You ease the hurt, you calm the mind, you tend me through the morn. I sink, I sleep, each breath a stitch. I wake to softer light. Held through night, I am restored. You make the broken right. Be the salve, let mercy do the work. One slow breath stitches time, one calm night quits the hurt. I am healed, I am whole, I am loved beyond the scar. Rest now, rise later, you hold